Type 42s, named after British cities, are capable of taking on any mission, from defending a task group from air attack to hunting submarines, providing humanitarian aid in the wake of a natural disaster, and search and rescue. The Type 42s were constructed in 3 batches. Batches 1 and 2 were completed between 1975 and 1982 and are the same design. The Batch 3 Type 42s were completed between 1982 and 1985 and are about 14 metres longer and wider too. This provides greater stability and more space internally for the ship's company to use. The longer hull also makes the Batch 3 Type 42s slightly faster. These ships have been extensively modernised and are highly automated, packed with sophisticated weapons and sensors that are technology rather than manpower intensive. Armed principally with the Sea Dart Area Air Defence missile system, which is used to protect other ships against aircraft and missile attack, the Type 42s have seen action in the 1982 Falklands conflict, the 1991 Gulf War and the 2003 Iraq War. A 4.5-inch gun can supply fire support for troops ashore equivalent to a battery of Army 105mm howitzers. 2 Phalanx 20mm guns give the Type 42s a rapid-fire, close-in defence against air attack and missiles. This is supplemented by up to 4 20mm rapid-fire guns and missile decoys. Stingray lightweight torpedoes carried in tube launchers are used against hostile submarines. The ships have long-range air search radar, which provides the means to detect air threats out to hundreds of miles. They also have a high-speed air search radar, which is used to detect surface vessels and small aircraft. The ships also have active hull-mounted sonar to find and track enemy submarines. As with the Navy's frigates, the Type 42 destroyers carry a Lynx maritime patrol helicopter. Fitted with surface search radars, the Lynx is armed with Sea Skua missiles to tackle surface warships or Stingray torpedoes and depth charges for submarines. A new generation of destroyers is currently being built for Britain. The Type 45 or Daring-class warships will replace the remaining Type 42s. The programme will run to 6 ships. The first in class, Daring, and the second, Dauntless, are under construction already. The Type 45s will have a displacement of 7,350 tonnes, around twice that of the Type 42s. They'll have a top speed of 27 knots and a range at 18 knots of 7,000 miles. With a crew of just 187, the Type 45 will also be able to carry embarked Royal Marines and fly Merlins and Chinooks from a generous flight deck. The main weapon system of the new destroyer will be the principal anti-air missile system.